The most common mistakes that ruin your sardines. Sardines are a true powerhouse of nutrition, often hailed as a superfood. They are one of the few seafood options that are naturally low in mercury, making them a safe and healthy choice for regular consumption. These tiny fish are loaded with protein, omega-3s, calcium, and essential vitamins that benefit your heart, brain, and bones. However, many people are making crucial mistakes that strip away their nutrition, ruin their flavor, and in some cases, even put their health at risk. By understanding and avoiding these common errors, you can transform your sardine experience from a bland, unappealing meal into a delicious, nutrient-packed feast. Here are the most significant mistakes people make with sardines. Mistake number 11. Overcooking canned sardines. This is one of the most common and damaging mistakes. Canned sardines are already cooked and ready to eat right out of the tin. When you subject them to high heat, you're not just cooking them again, you're turning their delicate flesh into a soft, unappetizing mush. This also damages heat-sensitive nutrients like the beneficial omega-3 fatty acids and certain B vitamins. The solution: the goal is to warm the sardines, not to cook them. If you're adding them to a hot dish like pasta or a stir-fry, introduce them at the very end. A minute or two is all you need. For a little crispiness, you can quickly broil them for 2 to 3 minutes. Another simple trick is to warm the unopened can in a bowl of hot water. This heats the fish evenly without direct heat, preserving its texture and nutritional value. Mistake number 10. Removing the bones. Many people instinctively remove the tiny bones, thinking they're a choking hazard, just as they would with larger fish. But with sardines, the bones are completely edible. The canning process pressure cooks them until they are incredibly soft and tender, blending seamlessly into the fish's flesh. You won't even notice them. The solution: embrace the bones. They are a nutritional goldmine, providing an incredibly rich source of calcium. A single serving of sardines with bones can meet over a third of your daily calcium needs. They also contain vitamin D, which is essential for your body to properly absorb that calcium. When you remove the bones, you're throwing away a significant portion of the health benefits. Mistake number 9. Choosing water-packed over oil-packed sardines. This mistake often happens right in the grocery aisle. While water-packed sardines might seem like a lighter, healthier option, they fall short in both flavor and nutrition. Sardines are naturally rich in fat-soluble omega-3s. These fats are best absorbed by the body when consumed with other fats. The solution: opt for sardines packed in high-quality oil, especially extra virgin olive oil. The oil not only enhances the flavor and keeps the fish moist, but also acts as a preservative, preventing the natural oils from going rancid. The oil also aids in the absorption of the omega-3s and other fat-soluble vitamins. While oil-packed sardines have more calories, they are the right kind of calories that contribute to your overall health. Mistake number 8. Leaving leftovers in the opened can. While a sealed can of sardines has an impressive shelf life, once you open it, the countdown to spoilage begins. When exposed to air, the delicate oils in the fish begin to oxidize, which changes the flavor and degrades valuable omega-3 fatty acids. Leaving them in the original can also risk some metallic aftertaste due to reactions between the exposed metal and the air. The solution: transfer any leftover sardines immediately to a clean, airtight glass or plastic container. This simple step keeps out air, slows down spoilage, and maintains the fish's freshness and flavor for up to 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator. Mistake number 7. Ignoring expiration and proper storage. People often assume that food lasts forever. While it has a long shelf life, it's not immune to poor storage conditions. Heat, light, and humidity are the enemies of canned fish. Storing them in a warm, sunny, or damp location can cause the oils to oxidize and the can to degrade, which can compromise the safety and quality of the sardines. The solution: always store canned sardines in a cool, dark, and dry place. Pay attention to the expiration date, and before opening, check for any signs of damage like bulging, rust, or leaks. Also, be aware that sardines in acidic sauces like tomato tend to degrade faster than those in oil, so you should use them sooner. Mistake number 6. Eating sardines plain every time. Sardines are incredibly convenient, but simply eating them straight from the can can quickly become boring. This practice overlooks their incredible versatility as a culinary ingredient. The solution: think of sardines as a building block for a meal. Mash them with avocado or yogurt for a delicious spread. Use them to top salads or toast, or add them to pasta sauces and stir-fries. Mixing them with other ingredients not only makes them more exciting, but can also enhance the absorption of their nutrients. Mistake number 5. Thinking all sardines taste the same. Assuming all sardines taste identical is a big mistake. Their flavor, texture, and quality vary greatly depending on their origin, the season they were caught, and how they were processed. Sardines from cold waters, for example, often often have a firmer texture and cleaner taste than those from warmer waters. The solution: explore different brands, regions, and preparations. Don't write off sardines after trying just one type. There is a wide variety of flavors to discover, from lightly smoked to those packed in rich tomato or mustard sauces. Mistake number 4: pairing sardines with the wrong flavors. The rich, oily, and savory taste of sardines can be overwhelming if not balanced correctly. Pairing them with other heavy or creamy flavors can make the dish too rich. The solution: sardines need contrast. Pair them with bright, fresh, and acidic ingredients that cut through their richness. Think of a squeeze of lemon juice, a splash of vinegar, or the addition of capers, tomatoes, and fresh herbs like parsley or dill. These flavors lift the sardines and create a more balanced and enjoyable taste experience. Mistake number 3: rinsing away taste and nutrition. Rinsing sardines underwater is a common mistake made by people who want to reduce the salt or fishiness. In reality, you are washing away valuable flavor and nutrients. The liquid in the can, whether oil, brine, or sauce, is an essential part of the preservation process. Over time, the fish and the liquid exchange flavors, and important nutrients seep into the sauce. The solution: embrace the liquid. It's part of what makes sardines special. If you're concerned about sodium, look for low-sodium varieties instead of rinsing away the carefully developed taste and nutritional value. Mistake number 2: avoiding sardines because they're too fishy. A common reason people avoid sardines is the perceived strong, fishy taste. However, if a sardine tastes overly strong or unpleasant, it's usually a sign of poor storage or low quality. The solution: the secret is not to hide the flavor but to enhance it. Use acidic ingredients to brighten the taste and cut through any heaviness. Start with high-quality, oil-packed sardines for a cleaner flavor profile. Your taste buds can also adapt over time, and you may begin to appreciate the subtle, savory notes of the fish. Mistake number 1: throwing away the precious oil. This is, without a doubt, the most costly mistake people make. Draining the oil and pouring it down the sink is like throwing away liquid gold. The oil in the can is where a significant amount of the flavor and nutrition is concentrated. Over months of storage, it becomes infused with omega-3s, fat-soluble vitamins, D and E, and a rich umami flavor from the fish. The solution: don't discard it. Use the sardine oil as a dressing for salads, a base for sautéing vegetables, or as a rich addition to soups and stews. You can even use it for dipping bread. It's a free, nutrient-dense flavor enhancer that can elevate countless dishes. A word of caution: while sardines are incredibly healthy, a few groups of people should be cautious. People with high blood pressure or salt sensitivity should look for low-sodium varieties. Anyone with gout or high uric acid levels should eat them in moderation, as sardines are high in purines, which can trigger flare-ups. Lastly, people who are prone to kidney stones should also be mindful of their consumption. For everyone else, sardines are a fantastic addition to a healthy diet. By handling sardines correctly, from the moment you choose them at the store to how you store, prepare, and eat them, you can unlock their full potential as a delicious and incredibly nutritious superfood. Subscribe and join our community. If you found this video helpful and you're interested in more tips on how to live a healthier, stronger life as a senior, you've come to the right place. My channel, Strong and Senior, is all about helping you stay active, vibrant, and knowledgeable about your health. We cover everything from nutrition and exercise to debunking common health myths and sharing easy, effective wellness strategies. Don't miss out on our next video. Hitting that subscribe button is the best way to make sure you get all our new content as soon as it's released. It's completely free, and it's the perfect way to show your support and join our growing community of people who are committed to living their best lives. And while you're at it, tap the bell icon to get notifications so you'll never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.